This is why your Honda CRV's Android Auto just won't connect. Don't worry, we've got the quick fixes you need. Here's what to do next. First things first, double check that your phone is compatible and you've got the latest Android Auto app installed. Some older phones or outdated apps just won't cooperate. Next, make sure your Honda CRV is in park and the engine's running. Safety first, every time. Now grab your USB cable. Not all cables are created equal. A cheap or damaged cable is the #1 reason Android Auto won't connect. Try an original or high-quality cable and plug it into both your phone and the car. Still nothing? On your phone, swipe down and look for any pop-up that asks for permission to connect. Say yes. If Android Auto still isn't showing up on your CRV's screen, head to your car's settings, tap smartphone connection, remove your device, then reconnect it from scratch. Last tip, restart both your phone and your car. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes, and if you're still stuck, check for software updates in both your phone and your Honda's infotainment system. Updates can fix hidden bugs and make everything run smoother. Remember, most connection issues can be solved with a fresh cable, updated apps, or a quick reset. Now you know exactly what to do when Android Auto goes silent in your Honda CRV.